Hey guys, it's time to check tire pressure. So here's another RV how-to under 5 minutes. This is the first time we pulled the camper for the season, so I'm going to go ahead and check the tire pressures. What you want to do is you want to verify on your sidewall. Just make sure what your tire pressure should be at. These have a max PSI of 80. Tire unloading sticker says 65. So we're gonna do the right thing and air it up to 80. Take your air pressure checker. You want one that'll go at least to 120. See where we're at. We're a little over 80. We'll let a little pressure out. It's not exactly cold because it's sitting in the sun right now. You can use that little end right there just to let a little bit of tire pressure out if you need to. 80 PSI. Do this 4 times. Once you've aired up all your tires, or they are at the right PSI, I like running them at the max sidewall on the tire. What you want to do is make sure while you're doing that you inspect your tires to make sure you don't have any cracks, dry rotting, missing tread, anything like that. If you do, replace the tires. The other way was wearing me out, so this is the right way to do that. It can go pretty fast. 80 PSI, good to go. If you have an air compressor at home, it's much better. That's amazing. Tires barely lost any PSI over the winter. Awesome. 80 PSI on that one. The last thing you want to do is make sure that your lug nuts are tight. You do have one of these in your truck, right? If you don't, go get one. Pretty simple. Just put the right size on. Double check it. There we go. And then you just want to UGA. Make sure that you got it right. There's a proper torque spec for this, but of course I'm going to use the old UGA scale. UGA. UGA. You want to do it in a star pattern. UGA. Basically go across from each lug nut. Do that periodically while you're towing too on your camping trips. Just make sure your lug nuts aren't coming loose. You want to do the same thing for your truck. Make sure you have the right PSI for towing, and also double check your lug nuts for your truck as well, just to make sure that they're still good and tight. This has been a RV how-to in under 5. Y'all take care. Let me know if you have any questions.